Hi, how to get the 2026 iPhone emojis. To get the new 2026 iPhone emojis, 163 new designs, including distorted face, orca, and treasure chest, update your iPhone to iOS 26.4. So go ahead to the settings, app, general, software update, and check if your iOS needs to be updated. If you're still on iOS 18, just switch to the iPhone 26 beta, right? If your iPhone allows it. So if they don't appear after you update it, go to settings, general, and then software update, right? Or stay in the general, find keyboard, right? Inside keyboard, delete the keyboard that you don't want, right? Or delete the emoji keyboard and add it again, okay? Or reset the keyboard dictionary. So yeah, basically that's it, right? You can see right here at the emoji below. You could just turn it off and turn it on again, right? Or change the keyboard, okay, by adding a new keyboard. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.